About 18 months ago, there was a tiny little leak in the power steering. I knew because there was no noise. So I got some power steering fluid with sealant. Didn't work. The leak got so bad I finally took it in. Now it's time to get the mess cleaned up. Thought I'd try earth-friendly products. It's got a biodegradable degreaser, clumping kitty litter. Stain kind of looks like a bear. So put the kitty litter down, scraped it off. So getting the top layer of junk. I actually did a pretty good job on it all by itself. Now I got a recommended degreaser from the auto supply store. They say it's biodegradable. Still wear gloves, still wear goggles. Using a scrub brush, pouring on some degreaser, seeing how it's going to go. And you can see it's already breaking down the stain. It's lifting up something. Just use plenty of strength. Then using more kitty litter to soak that up. And you can already see that, if you're looking there, that the stain is coming up out of the concrete. Actually, what we're seeing is the oil or the power steering fluid is coming up through the concrete. The clumping kitty litter was really a great choice. Looking good. Even so, on goes a second round. And you can see it's lifting up more fluid. And once again, pour on the kitty litter, let it soak up the stuff a bit, and then scrape it off. Now, I watched a number of videos on different methods on how to get rid of these stains. And one of the things that I noticed about this is that most guys just show you the stain before it's actually set for a day or two. In other words, it looks pretty darn good here at this point where I'm dusting it up. It doesn't look bad there. But come tomorrow, it looks a bit different. Significantly different. I will admit you can walk on it. You're not going to pick up oil or fluid. But I decided to do a second round with more aggressive products. Once again, products that were used online. One is a brake cleaning fluid. The other is acetone. Once again, gloves, rags. With the power steering fluid, I'm using a little wire brush, and you can see it actually looks pretty good. So that works pretty good. And once again, it quickly brings up power steering fluid from the concrete. Once again, another layer, or another coat rather. And look at that. Look at dry. It looks almost like, well, what I'm kneeling next to. And then after this part, after this a small part that we've done, we're going to move on to the other side of the stain using some acetone. And the acetone's giving similar results. Another day of drying and the stain's still there, but a lot better. 18 months ago to now, I really think the results are pretty good. Please like and subscribe. At the end of the video, you're going to see some suggestions as to what else to watch. Please watch them. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks.